We'll call it VVIP elitism or a shocking VVIP mindset, entitlement to the core. The Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole was caught with one of the Karyakartas of the Congress washing his feet with water. He, a short while back, has come out and brazenly defended on what really went down. Asking party workers, well, he said he never asked anyone to wash his feet, but what you see on your television screens is very, very different. This is VVIP mindset, elitism, high-handedness, whatever you might call it, viewers, on abject, brazen display. When he was asked about this particular incident, he actually accused the media of making a big deal of a very small incident. He also said that I had walked through a bit of a swampy area, and when I came out, my feet were dirty, and I asked somebody to get water. The Karyakarta got water and I washed my feet from my own hands. That doesn't quite seem so of what exactly went down. He thanks the people for this kind of publicity and says that the media needs to focus elsewhere, completely looking the other way of this incident.
आषाढ़ी एकादशी के दिन में पंढरपुर में हमारा महाराष्ट्र के दैवत जो है उनमें एक बड़ी यात्रा होती है। कल मैं जिस गांव में दौरे में था, अकोला जिले के वाड़े गांव में, उस गांव में वो यात्रा आई थी। स्वाभाविक है कि उस पालकी का दर्शन करना मेरा दायित्व बनता था, कर्तव्य बनता था, और स्वाभाविक है कि मैं जिस मैदान में वो पालकी रखी थी वहां पे कीचड़ था, और वहां पे मैं गया, दर्शन लिया, और वापस मैं निकला तो एक कार्यकर्ता पानी का अंडा लेके आया और उसने मेरे पैर के ऊपर पानी डाला और मैंने अपने हाथ से धोया। अब उसको अलग ढंग से दिखाया जा रहा हो तो उसका है, लेकिन मेरा सवाल ऐसा है, मेरा तो काम उजाले का था, मेरा तो कोई अंधेरे का काम मैं तो करता ही नहीं, गलत तो काम हमने किया नहीं।
All right, you have Nana Patole there. He says that he had gone to a place where it had just rained. There was a bit of muck. He waded through it. And when he came out, a Karyakarta got some water and he washed his feet with his hands. Doesn't seem so because you can see him pull out his feet and the Karyakarta washing it for him. When this was highlighted in various publications, fair amount of charges of VVIP elitism were laid. And today you have Nana Patole coming out and saying that this is misplaced priorities of the media, nothing like that happened. It's blowing a very small thing in a very big way and the media should focus elsewhere. There are droughts in Maharashtra and maybe look at that. Saurabh Vaktania is joining us for more. Saurabh, this is classic VVIP racism at display, and completely belligerent, denying the entire incident, says he washed his feet with his own hand while the visuals speak.
Well, absolutely. If you clearly see the video, it is a very small few seconds video. First of all, let's not get into politics. First, when we see this particular video, Nana Patole is sitting in the car, his legs are out, and there's one person who is visibly cleaning Nana Patole's legs. Now, in this video particularly, there is a sound from background that do not make video while washing the feet, and you clearly see after that the video is taken off. The video is stopped. So there is a clear sound in the background which says that do not take the video while washing the feet of Nana, and this is what the BJP has picked up. They are clearly saying that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi is washing feet in Varanasi, and here is the Congress chief of Maharashtra who is making the common people of Maharashtra making his feet wash. Now, Nana Patole has given his statement in this entire incident. He clearly says that this has been misinterpreted by media and the BJP. What Congress President Maharashtra Nana Patole, while speaking to media just some time from now, he said that he was in Pandharpur and after a little bit of rain, there was lot of dirt, mud on the ground and his legs got dirty. After which one of the Karyakarta came to him and he started to clean his legs, but he only had water. He made he used his own hands to clean his feet. So clearly, Nana may be saying anything, but right now BJP is going hard in this entire incident. let me tell you, there's already so much of happening for the upcoming assembly election, and
Okay.
BJP is doing all possible way.
All right, Saurav, I'm going to come right back to you. You know, there's been a fair amount of criticism, and understandably acceptable criticism, on what's really gone down. On the phone line with us is BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya. Mr. Malviya, you've had Nana Patole come out and try and give a rather bizarre explanation. He says, he washed his own feet. That doesn't seem, in terms of chronology of events, that quite happened. But once again, highlighting the entire VVIP culture which surrounds politicians.
It is the same Congress party that went around lying to the Dalits of Maharashtra that if the BJP was to come to power, it would change the constitution and take away their reservations. And now you see the Congress chief of Maharashtra sitting and getting a worker to wash his feet. Now, if this is how they treat their own people, their own cadre, you can imagine how they would treat people from the socially backward and marginalized communities. And Nana Patole's explanation does not wash away from whatever he was getting done. It's quite obvious that this is the kind of high-handedness that has come to be associated with the Congress, and the ones who continue to suffer are people from the socially backward and marginalized communities of the society.
All right, Mr. Malviya, appreciate you joining us. Understandably, viewers, the visuals that you see are rather appalling, and once again it highlights nothing else but the abject VVIP elitism that exists around politicians. It's not the first incident. We've seen multiple incidents take place like this, cutting across party lines, but the spotlight now firmly on Nana Patole.